Millions of us bought wearables believing in the promise that they were going to make us better athletes, that we were going to understand our bodies better. But what we got amounted to tracking our steps, stairs, and sleep, leading us to tossing these devices in the drawers or the trash. But we realized there was nothing wrong with the hardware. It was the code that wasn't smart enough to track real human movement. So FocusMotion created an algorithm that truly understood how people move. It's based on the idea that in the same way every word we say has a unique signature and waveform, movements do as well. It works by running a brand's accelerometer data through FocusMotion's algorithm, looking for unique patterns in each movement, which can now be identified and counted. Any company that wants to develop using the algorithm can simply download it and use it, whether it's a first-time startup or a company like Nike. After it's installed, FocusMotion sits between the application and the hardware, translating a much more dynamic range of movement than the wearable was once capable of tracking. Now movements like push-ups and bicep curls can be counted for the first time, giving feedback on quantity and quality of movements. People doing yoga couldn't track their activity with traditional wearables, but now with Focus, they can. And those in physical therapy who had to manually track their activity with a paper and pen can now capture their movement with our software. Plus, doctors are able to accurately track their patients' recovery. FocusMotion is having a huge impact on the wearable industry, and we aren't held back by hardware changes. We're built to work with the simplest wearable on the market and easily adapt as sensors become more advanced. Whichever new wearable wins the hearts of the public, FocusMotion will be there to make the device the most useful it can be, and finally help wearables live up to what everyone wants them to be. This is FocusMotion.